So now let's answer this question, why containers? So in the beginning, when we used to have this ops team at our in office, and whenever we used to approach them saying that okay, we have an app and I want to get it hosted on the server, so they generally used to say like, okay, it is going to take a couple of weeks of time, and the reason being is because they need to acquire the extra server space, they need to buy the same, and once that is acquired, then our apps get hosted on the server, and then it is used to move on to the rack space, and this is how our app used to get hosted in the data center. Then it came as VM, and it has solved many problems which we used to have earlier times. But here in VM setting also, it used to ask us a lot of questions like how much RAM you need, how much disk space you need, and this is how you set up your VM. And then we have the cloud system. The cloud system also, it is going to ask you even more things like how many processors, and because RAM and everything other thing, because this is how it is going to compute your resources, and based on that you are going to be built. So this is how this is how it will calculate that how much you need to pay. Now when we talk about Docker, so one of the first question I get is like, aren't containers are just lightweight VMs? So yeah, one can think of, yeah, it is kind of, but let's do line by line isolation between VMs and containers in the next video.